It's party time.
Okay, I'm turning the party mode on for now, but you really need to start making a video on this. Have you started making a video?
Yes, I have.
So let's get started.
Hey guys, this is Neil here from In-Depth Tech. So today in this video we'll be seeing how to integrate a scene inside the partnered application of a smart bulb to the Google Home. So let's get started. So guys, the light which I'm using is the Philips Whiz bulb, and the partnered application for these lights is the Whiz application. So just go ahead and click on the Whiz. Now as you can see, there are two lights. So I'll just select the first light and I'll select the party mode, and for the second I'll do the same. I'll select the party mode. So now I'll go to scenes, I'll add a scene, and I'll rename this scene as the party mode. Save. As you can see, the scene has been set. Also, I have given individual scenes to both the lights. In case you have a single bulb, you have to follow the same procedure. So now let's go ahead to the Google Home app. Click on routines. Add. Add starter. Click on voice command. So you have to select a voice command. So I just name this as party mode. So when I say party mode to the Google Home, this scene will get activated. Add action. Go to adjust home devices. Click on adjust scenes. Now as you can see, my scenes have been synced. So I'll just click on party mode. Done. Save. I have added two more scenes to the Whiz application. So let's go ahead and add those scenes also. For starters, I'll add it's yoga time. Same process, add scenes. I'll go to relax. Done. I'll add one more scene. I'll name it as TV time. I'll select its TV time. So now let's switch off these lights and see if it works. Switch off the studio light.
Sure, turning two lights off.
Party mode. Hey Google, switch off the studio lights.
Sure, turning two lights off.
It's yoga time. It works. So that's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. I'll be making more home automation videos with the devices which are easily available in the market. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you're new, please subscribe. Also hit the bell icon so you will be notified every time I upload a video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.